Pichu Lucia, which can accommodate 100 cars and 50 buses.
Pichu Lucia is located at Fidel Delta Street, Umawi, Santa Maria, Bulacan. Their entrance fee ranges during daytime from 8 to 5 p.m. of 150 pesos per adult and 120 for the kids. Nighttime of 3 p.m. to 12 midnight ranges from 180 for adults and 150 for the kids. If you want to have an overnight stay from 6 p.m. to 7 a.m., just pay 220 pesos for adults and 180 for the kids. For 24-hour stay at Pichu Lucia, start of 8 a.m. or 6 p.m. The entrance fee is 300 for the adults and 200 for the kids.
Pichu Lucia has 68 open sheds, ranges 750 to 800, maximum of 20 persons. This is the Alpha Shed, ranges 750 to 850, maximum 15 to 20 persons. This is the Alpha Shed, ranges 500 to 850, maximum 15 to 20 persons. And then, the Bravo Shed, ranges 1,000, maximum of 30 persons.
Cut.
This is the Charlie Shed. It ranges from 750 to 800, maximum of 20 persons. And then this is the Delta Shed. It ranges from 1,500, maximum of 30 persons.
Cut.
We are now proceed in their swimming pool. This is the Dino Pool. One of the six pools. It is 3 to 4 feet deep. Now this is their kiddie pool, one of their 16 pools. Their 16 pools. This is what is very called the T-Rex. In my right side is the dinosaur. It's about 14 meters and it weighs of 5 tons. Okay, papunta na po kami sa dolphin pool.
Go.
And now this is the dolphin pool. It is 2 feet deep. And now this is one of another team pool, the shark pool.
As you can see, we're now going to the next pool, the octopus pool, to complete our tour in their 6 team pools. My group mates are now walking. We're already done with the dino pool, the T-Rex pool, the kiddie pool, the dolphin pool, and the shark pool. So, this is again their dino pool. Ha?
Unfortunately, their octopus pool is under a microscope. We're now going on the life structure of the dinosaur here in Featurelucia. Okay, we're here now at the dinosaur park here in Featurelucia. Featurelucia are reading about the lifestyle and durable realistic dinosaur sculptures that populate the resort. As you can see, they are the life-size dinosaurs that you can only see here in Featurelucia. One of the examples, the dinosaurs here you can see here in Featurelucia are the Torosaurus. There are so many dinosaurs here in Featurelucia. There.
Sige.
Over there.
Over there.
Ay, naririnig ko yun.
Featurelucia, before known as a private family getaway, but they had their nephews, dinosaurs, so they started this strange team. The process of all dinosaurs being here at Featurelucia was based on the movie of Jurassic Park. Featurelucia before was known as a resort, but now they also included their lodging houses, which can classify to three. One of their rooms called Lucia Cabana Room, which ranges from 1,200 and can accommodate 4 packs. Next is the Lucia Hotel 2 room, ranges from 2,000 and can accommodate of 6 packs sharing. The last is the Lucia Dormitory, ranges from 5,000 and can accommodate 22 persons. The Lucia 1 can be classified as single occupancy, twin occupancy, or triple occupancy. The deluxe room ranges from 2,500 to 3,250 with folding bed. And the next is the standard room, which is 2,200 to 2,950 with folding bed. Their daytime check-in is 8 a.m. and the check-out is 5 p.m. If you want an overnight stay, the check-in is 6 p.m. until 7 a.m.
The houseway or the greenhouse was Featurelucia, or as we call on the convenience store, where you can find some food. The cashier of the mall is called
Now our journey ends here at Lucia Center Garden. It's time for us to exit and hope you like our presentation. Thank you for watching this video. Ayan, hello, tapos
Hi! Ito yung report namin.
We're going out
Punta na kami
for
ng cottage. Maliligo na kami!
It's time for us to enjoy.
What? Look down here. I thought it. Ba't na naman ang...
Ay, naglalakad ba na upad?
Hindi, pati yung junk kaya. Alam mo kasi.
Hindi ko lang alam.
Hindi ko rin na tayo. Ay, salamat naman po.
Mamaya na sa ulit.
Ay, wala.
Jump shot.
Pupunta na po kami sa cottage.
Malilim na, hindi na masyado matindi.
Ayun na. Malilim na siya, hindi na mainit.
Pwede na kami mag-swimming.
Nag-complete lang kami.
Napagod ako. Ah! Teng! Walang hindi.
Kain muna kami.
Kain muna kami ng cake. Kayo, di kayo sumama. Wala tuloy kayong pagkain ng masarap. Tagay na. Hoy, Kevin, panoorin mo tong kinakain ko. Maiinggit ka, kala mo. Tangina mo. Mamatay ka na. Magmura, magmura. Hindi pa pakita kay Ma'am Jen? Hi, Ma'am Jen. Hi, Ma'am Jen. Gusto mo ng Goldilocks? Titirahan
Bumili ka.
Ma'am. Titirahan kita.
Kahon.
Nakita mo yan, ba't ano ba? Sa dulo na yan. Para ano. Gusto ko na mag-swimming. Chef!
Wait lang. Ano ba to? Bloopers natin? O hindi? Dali lang, cut ko to ah.
We are now in their... We are now in their sixth pool, the Dino pool.
Ay,
We are now proceeding their swimming pool. This is we call the Dino pool. Pero Naka-accommodate na naman. Fortunately, their octopus pool is... Ano?
Under